top 10 technologies that will use 5G in broadcast communications is the as-of-late dispatched fifth age innovation and is the most recent norm for broadband cell organizations. 5G empowers a novel sort of organization explicitly made to associate essentially everything in each individual, including machines, gadgets, and even objects. 5G remote innovation will conceivably convey super low idleness, higher multi-Gbps top information speeds, greater unwavering quality, more noteworthy organization limit, expanded accessibility, and an all the more even client experience to its clients. The world can perceive how better and improved proficiency will engage new client encounters and even interfaces. New ventures through several PDA organizations started to send 5G worldwide in 2019. And this new innovation is the arranged replacement to the now famously utilized 4G organizations. Notwithstanding, these 10 advancements will likewise profit by 5G. Number 10. IoT. IoT is quick progressing, and 5G will speed up its turn of events and utilize further. IoT will profit by 5G due to the organization's inactivity and data transfer capacity enhancements. Numerous IoT openings will profit by 5G. Portable and cell availability and cultivating are among them. Also, 5G could make new and creating use cases and applications a reality. Interestingly, as associated vehicles requiring lightning-quick, low-dormancy tech, studies from IDC project IoT gadgets to produce over portion of the worldwide information by 2025. At the end of the day, sending and using that information will request the 5G remote limit, which is 1000x more prominent than 4G. Number 9. Associated communities. It is no news that brilliant urban communities are a significant IoT pattern, particularly as metro regions worldwide prepare indoor and open-air spaces with various sensors. These sensors accumulate information and gain experiences on the best way to deal with their assets, resources, and administrations effectively. 5G is the best innovation that keen urban areas and associated networks need. The current 4G organizations are extraordinary, yet this organization is restricted in its powerful utilization, support for concurrent associations, and excessive cost per bit. On the other side, the tech world anticipates that 5G should drive keen city applications by tending to these downsides and, consequently, using the recently caught information for better city activities. Number 8. 5G and security. The expansion of 5G executions will make the requirement for sufficient security significantly more basic. Transporters, for example, T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon have been sustaining their cutting-edge networks with additional encryption and added safeguards at the edge of the network. However, in contrast to its archetypes, 5G will be comprised of an overwhelmingly programming-based organization, so it turns into an alternate undertaking getting 5G. The applications set to ride on top of the 5G organization, for example, savvy city applications and IoT, will likewise require additional security layers to secure the associations and new gadgets joining the organization. Number 7. Edge. The association between edge processing and 5G is about inertness. The 5G organization vows to advance development at the edge by fueling conceivable pristine use cases, empowering expanded information assortment and surprisingly swifter handling than any time in recent memory, while offering organizations and associations another choice for connectivity by joining edge figuring with 5G. Associations will set up gadgets like brilliant cameras and sensors to assemble more information, advancing expanded register use cases at the edge. This will give extending freedoms to arrangement suppliers in gathering information at the edge, according to investigate firm IDC data. The worldwide edge registering business sector ought to get to around $250 billion out of 2024 for each projections, with a 12.5% accumulate yearly development rate throughout the following 4 years. Moreover, 5G innovation is probably going to go about as an impetus for the projected market development. Number 6. Cloudification. Cloudification is an innovation that empowers network administrators to start new and upgraded administrations and fulfill market needs with the adaptability and versatility of a distributed computing organization. As such, network cloudification is the arrangement of broadening cloud stages, virtualization abilities, and innovations all through a correspondences organization to make it adaptable, more light-footed, and scalable, to drive network traffic from a heap of associated hubs and the coming stream of new register concentrated 5G advancements in applications. Networks need to change. They need to convey lower inertness, quicker paces, and greater limit. Cloudification is prepared for 5G's 10x less inactivity, 100x swifter speed, and 1000x greater limit, setting up the reason for progressive business efficiencies, client encounters, and items and administrations. Number 5. Man-made reasoning. Man-made reasoning, additionally called AI, is a wide arrangement of PC sciences intended to mirror human-like capacities like rationale and learning. Artificial intelligence is a consistently developing field. It utilizes a few strategies like support learning and profound figuring out how to advance towards summed-up knowledge. You may as of now advise that AI holds the possibility to gather business bits of knowledge from in the past garbled information to advance tasks and raise the baseline. 2/3 of the world's present information didn't exist a large portion of 10 years prior, and forecasts uncover that the datasphere will develop over 5x by 2025 per IDC. 5G organizations will make accessible the versatile transmission capacity and far-off registering power expected to gather and deal with the rising volumes of information that will advance AI's multiplication, accordingly disseminating insight all over the place. Number 4. Broadband ISP and administration. Seen another conspicuous industry that the 5G NR advancements will reclassify as business and private broadband internet providers, particularly in underserved regions with troubles with last-mile network and inheritance link fiber web administrators. 5G advances bring trust. 5G will empower multi-gigabit internet providers and remote gigabit in your home or office without the necessity of Wi-Fi, or as a team with Wi-Fi 6, and consistently associated. My top choice of all the prospering parts of new innovation is 5G's fixed remote access. The remote access will trigger new degrees of contest among ISPs and transporters and fast associations for distributed computing, new administrations with much lower inactivity, gaming. And that's just the beginning. You will see gaming administrations like Google Stadia and Microsoft xCloud flourish when 5G fixed remote access is a reality. Number 3. Transportation industry. Transportation innovation overall is ceaselessly improving, and developments could help speed up and diminish mishaps. Nations like South Africa with a high pace of street mishaps will profit by utilizing 5G innovation. Moreover, 5G in transportation will be gainful from various perspectives, as it will consider ongoing information assortment and examination by means of vehicle sensors. The following stage in headway is simply the presentation driving vehicles, an extraordinarily groundbreaking development inside the public vehicle area. Self-driving vehicles are important for the IoT, which implies that they'll be particularly amazing with this new organization. Number 2. Assembling and industrial automation. 5G is going to empower machine-to-machine interchanges for a bigger scope, considering a decrease in conceivable human mistake and expanded computerized measures. Indeed, fabricating and mechanical mechanization with the utilization of 5G is as of now a reality. Ericsson had effectively distributed their execution of 5G to speed up the 4 phases of their assembling cycle, which are plan, sending, activities, and support. Number 1. Energy. A report made accessible by Ericsson and Arthur D. counseling firm esteemed the 5G market at an astounding $1.23 trillion by 2026. 20% of this market which turns out to be the most elevated part, was credited to energy utilities. The energy area is a unique one that faces a huge load of difficulties and openings. In any case, 5G will handle a significant part of the energy challenges with empowered administrations and applications. As worldwide energy networks get more brilliant, 5G will work as the basic connect-to-energize machine-type correspondences (MTC) to control and ensure the framework. As the energy area encounters development in the quantity of savvy meters, each with its remarkable correspondence requests, just framework with high limit and high transmission capacity can sufficiently uphold them. Also, the development in this area will proceed as electric vehicles become standard. For instance, Volvo has declared the finish of its burning motor just vehicle creation as the organization makes a shift to all-electric in 2019. You can pay special mind to development in charging focuses intended for electric vehicles in your neighborhood soon. Clients will appreciate continuous data on energy utilization at work and home and make effectiveness changes utilizing that data. This permits utilities better equilibrium the accessible energy assets. Thanks for watching World Top 10 Chanel. Subscribe now.